doing coding, right? And so today I'm gonna I already implemented like database things. So today I think I'm gonna test all these things, and also I think I'll add some system prompts or also knowledge or RAG. If you don't know what is RAG, let me explain to you. It's study draw. Yeah, here it is. So let me explain to you. Wait, how do I make it? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let me explain to you. RAG or if we tell what it means, basically it's retrieval augmented I don't know, RAG, I don't remember. Yeah, it's retrieval augmented generation. So what basically does it mean? Okay, imagine our LLM, right? So here's our LLM. This cute LLM, right? Imagine our LLM, and I can re-prompt or tell something like about the latest news, for example. For example, when was the last update of, let's say, okay, let's say when was for example GPT 5.5 released. Right? Or we can ask something like questions that in pre-trained section they don't have. So for example, if model was trained until the 2025 year, so it doesn't know anything about 2026. So if we ask something what happened in 2026, it will not respond to us because it doesn't know, right? Or if we like ask something like what is the latest, for example, what is the latest my post on X, right? It will not know this, right? And one solution to this is having tools like WebSearch, okay, all these tools, but it isn't universal thing. And for example, we may have some corporation data, internal data that we want to feed to our model so that it would know about itself more, right? And so for this we implement some database of knowledge, let's say some knowledge here, and the model can access the database and retrieve some content, and this content is retrieved programmatically so that when our program requests for this documentation, for example, let's say some documentation, right? This database returns some documentation, and our code, I would say, adds this documentation to user prompts. So for example, we asked what is Minecraft modern jobs, So our prompt becomes modified like this. Right? And this prompt is sent to the model. So let me actually redraw these things. Wait a minute. So it's actually something like that, I would say. Right? So and we send this content to our LLM. LLM already knows the content and it just responds us, right? If you're wondering how does this all work, like how does this system knows what it needs to fetch, like basically it's, I would say, semantic search, like some search system, like AI system maybe, something like that. Well, so I think you explained it okay, but if something is unclear, just ask it. Alright. Okay, guys. So, let me actually test our bot right now. So if you don't know, I implemented some database things, and now I'm gonna do something like running the bot, okay? Let's run the bot. Okay, Telegram has launched. Alright, so let's ask it something. Hello. Yeah, that's working. That's working. And alright. So one more thing that I would want to do is creating middleware. So basically we have some user model in our database and history model, and basically we initialize this user or I would say register the user when user sends our request to LLM, but this will not work on custom commands for like this one. So for this, in order to bot to register if the user is not registered, in order to register the user, we're gonna implement middleware. If you don't know what is middleware, let me draw you. So basically middleware, right? So basically middleware is just a thing. It's just your program code, okay? It's your code that does something. So like it takes some requests, right? So it takes the user request, for example, and in this middleware logic you can write there anything. We process that request and do some things, like we could register the user, like something like that, and also it may do something with output as well. And on the end, middleware just returns regular output, right? Or what was supposed to be output of the request, right? So I think you got that. So middleware just catches the request, does some metadata or like some database things related or things that need to be processed or added on each like request, for example, and it just returns the output, right? So let me create our middleware. Write this, where is this? No. Oh. I already forgot where is the move. Oh, here it is. For example, let it be user register middleware, right? I think you kind of something like that, okay. Wait, it isn't what I wanted. It isn't indeed what I wanted. Yeah, I would like something like that. But there is problem here. We need session, right? Also, we need to import user utils here. Okay, and we need to wire this thing into runner. Yeah, into runner. So basically like that, okay, and also importing this thing. So okay, we're done. So we create the user if the user like if the user is not registered, right? So hello. Hello. Check our database on content, right? Also check user register middleware. Is it fine? So we have row 1 is admin false, right? So we have also created ad, updated ad. DM setup looks correct. So hello, okay, it works, okay. It works. Also, I would like to set up something like admins middleware so that we would assign admins, right? Audio issues. Email message isn't sent by everyone. So we get event from user. Right? Okay, I got it. Also, we remove unneeded registration here, right? So again, we do some imports here. We also getting chat ID here, and right here we just not like get an event from user, but I'm wondering where do we get this event? Like, right? Middleware was no open. It checked data event message, but iGram never sets that key. It provides event from user. Oh, got it. Which runs before your middleware or on return type. What was already direct middleware or the scope fixes. Okay, I got it. Okay. So some polishing here. Okay. Also, let's add admin middleware. But first, I need to create admin list, I guess. So let's go. Admins admin Telegram IDs, right? Alright. Also, let's add it to our .n. Okay. Admin. Oh yeah. Config admins admins. Alright, so we set up our admin's Telegram ID, right? And now we need to set up middleware here. Yeah, admin middleware, sync the call. We get here self. What actually do we get here? Oh, handler, event as well, and data. Okay. So Telegram user, we're getting. Event from user. Alright. We're getting Telegram user. So if Telegram user ID in admin's Telegram IDs, then we assign it to admin. And also we need to remove all admins, right? So from SQL Alchemy, import select, right? Telegram user. Also we need admins. Equals. So basically awaiting data. Question. I guess just scalars. Like this. Right. Also we need to import user. Okay. So for admin, in admins, if admin dot Telegram ID. Equals something like, no, wait. If his Telegram ID is not in our list of admins, then we assign this admin dot if admin equals false, right? Also, we need to save this, right? Oh, there is a assign admin. I forgot about this thing. So basically, user utils dot assign admin. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I mean toggle admin. Right. Check my admin middleware. And also, is it fine that we didn't commit in both middlewares? Alright, if you will look to code, create a user, load my parameter. What is session.fluff? I don't got it. Is it fine? So we need to commit our changes, right? So data session, right? There's commit. Okay. So await, right? Also, we don't need this thing. Okay, that should be fine. So check my admin middleware. Is it fine that we didn't commit in both middlewares? Yes, middlewares should not commit. One commit at the end in database middleware is the right return. A user register middleware doing only flush by get rate is correct, but your admin does commit. So these are fine. No commit, correct. No. So it's correct, guys. Okay. So we need to wire it in our runner. Okay. Where is our runner? Here it is. So basically, self.vp updates admin middleware. Also doing some imports here, and now it should work, right? Okay. That one user is right? Hello, for example. Hi. Alright, so, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, the chat is not working, I don't know why. But, wait a minute. Right. I need to set up one thing. Just wait. So, right. Shut up.